Good afternoon and welcome back. We are on day 2 of our First Alert Weather Week, consisting of 4 days, a break Saturday, and then another First Alert Weather Day Sunday. But we will get to that here soon. We've got enough to cover just today. Blizzard warning continues in all these counties shaded in pink. That has remained unchanged since last night. Winter storm warning in northwestern Minnesota for the counties shaded in red. A few surrounding counties in that purplish color still in a winter weather advisory. And then down to the south in South Dakota, we've got a high wind warning in orange. And then those green boxes right in the heart of the valley, those are river flood warning. So let's get your latest headlines here. Today we have that continued First Alert Weather Day, although things are a little bit different than what we've been seeing yesterday. This punch of dry air has things quiet for a lot of us right now. A break in the precipitation and a break in the strongest winds. Things are going to change. Our storm is not done yet. We are going to have wraparound snow, wraparound wind as early as tonight. So areas that have been untouched by snow, including here in Fargo, our chance is still coming. Tomorrow, another First Alert Weather Day for that wraparound snow. We'll see the wind really picking up out of the northwest with gusts to or over 50 miles per hour, leading to continued areas of reduced visibility, blowing snow, ongoing blizzard to the north and west. And we'll have to watch out for potential snow squalls as we head through the day Thursday. Travel issues will continue to be a concern. Right now, travel issues in the Southern Valley and even into the Central Valley are, I don't want to say non-existent because some areas in the Northern Valley have seen significant snow, but down in the Southern Valley, no travel worries. Roads are just wet at this time, but you can see that break, even some breaks in the cloud cover in the far south. That's thanks to the low pushing right up to the north, bringing in that drier air. But you can see already that snow starting to make its counterclockwise turn. Heavy snow still out in areas like Minot, Velva, down into Bismarck. That's going to continue for a few more hours. West Hope still dealing with that heavy snow as well out towards Hazen. Some of that will be pushing into the valley. We're also still dealing with these very strong and gusty winds. Notice the wind direction. Down in the Southern Valley, it's out of the southwest. Up to the north, it's out of the east. Areas like Minot, Bismarck, wind is out of the northwest. So we're going to see that wind turn around the low, and all of us will eventually see northwesterly winds by tonight. Visibility still a mile or less for many areas across the Northern Valley and out to the west. So here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Notice the tight spin. That's where the low pressure is at. And you can see the winds wrapping right around it. And watch as the precipitation wraps around it too. So through the rest of today, things will continue to be relatively quiet right in the valley and northwestern Minnesota, maybe even seeing a little bit of sunshine. But that heavy snow, it won't be heavy as it tracks its way to the east. It will become more scattered and not as intense, but some of these bands might have some heavier snow within them. And here's what I'm talking about with the snow squalls through the day tomorrow. These smaller pockets of snow, briefly heavy, combining with that wind, could lead to those brief blizzard conditions, also known as a snow squall. We had one just a couple of months ago, if you remember. That scattered snow continues through Friday as well before the winds finally start to ease up heading into the weekend. Here's what we're looking at for additional snowfall on top of what we've already seen. We could see another foot of snow out in central North Dakota. Terrible conditions out there. 1 to 3 in Fargo, an additional 3 to 6 up towards Grand Forks. Temperatures this afternoon, coldest where we're expecting that snow near 32 degrees, closer to those mid and upper 30s right in the valley and northwestern Minnesota. Tomorrow in Fargo, we're going to see those areas of snow and temperatures colder as well, primarily in the 20s to near 30 degrees. So here's a wrap of that 7-day forecast. Still a lot of red on there. Sunday, Easter, another chance of snow and wind. So First Alert Weather Day for a big travel day, Phoenix.
Definitely something to take very serious, especially with those snow squalls. But on the lighter side, I am really loving your dress.
I love your dress.
Yes.